Our next property is the inverse function property. And this says that two functions f of x and g of x are inverses if we take the compositions. So f composed with g of x and g composed with f of x, and they're both equal to x. So we actually had one example like this when we were going through the compositions through Fogg and Goff, where they were both equal to x, and those were inverse functions of each other. So this is the same type of thing. So I need to find both Fogg and Goff and confirm that they're both x. And if they're both equal to x, then these two functions are inverses of each other. If they're not both equal to x, then those two functions are not inverses of each other. So f composed with g of x, I want to plug the g function into the f function. And we see that the 3's cancel out. So this is x minus 4 plus 4. And then the 4's cancel out. So that is x. So we're halfway there. And then g composed with f of x, I want to start by writing the g function. And then plugging in the f function. And then if we simplify, we see that the 4's go away, and then the 3's go away. So this is also equal to x. So because they're both equal to x, yes, these are inverses of each other.